What is up everyone? In today's video we are back here with Teardown, and basically in today's video we are literally going to be destroying this entire world with this lightning ball. With that lightning ball. Jump back, jump back, jump back, jump back. So I'm going to start off with this village. I might need to get down. That kind of did a lot of damage. It literally destroys everything in its path. Right, this is crazy. Collage just absorbs everything. This is just madness. It's absolutely crazy. I can even absorb the boat. Yeah, I think that's sunk. This is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. What is that? There is going to have to be a few parts to this, because this is a whole town. I mean, this is a pretty big city, I'm not gonna lie. So, no idea what these cables are. Boom, we got the first bit of land done. As you can see, this land is huge. So, this is going to take a while. Look how big that map is. Landing water, landing water, landing water, landing water. I'm under the map. Wait, what? I made it back. Why am I so small? It doesn't feel right. How am I going to get across the bridge? Oh, by doing that. Okay, and what is that? Ugh, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's even on the car. Oh my god, is that poo? Ooh. That is disgusting. I'm going to destroy the whole village and then I'll show you what's left. The results of the whole town, the whole map is going to be in the next video. Because this is going to take a long time. So, I mean, I'm just going to finish this video off and then, yeah, I'll show you the results in a different video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have no idea why there's loads of string around. It's really weird. I'm literally destroying everything. Everything. So literally absorbing everything. What is this? I've never been in here before. What is this? What? I'm so confused right now. mean, this is what it's like so far. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.